What is up, YouTube? What's up, it's your boy 360 Waver, and I have been practicing on my fidget spinner tricks, and I have still known this one. I don't know how to pass it up like that and I catch it while still spinning. I have to get the right angle. I don't know how to do it on this time. It's kind of like, I'm writing stuff, so I know how to do here. Oh, so today we're gonna be doing fidget spinner against lips, face, against another fidget spinner, against the mini fridge. So yeah, let's get the fidget spinner. Oh yeah, and as you can see my last video, I have this. Oh, have this fidget spinner too. Fidget spinner too. I use this one. It didn't cut me. People be posting videos about, oh, the fidget spinner cut me in my face, my tongue. Guys, it's fake. It doesn't cut you. Cheeks. Let's see if the cheeks cut. It feels weird, but blood, no. People be doing fake things. You can, I have blood, and that affects to it. So let's do it against my head. Blood, no, fake. Teeth. Do not try the teeth. Do not. Oh. Not bleeding. No. Don't try, it hurts. Against ear. It hurts, but my cup. No. I'm cold. No, I'm not. Fake things from YouTube against the table. Did it break? No. Oh, did it break? No. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to make video because I have a week I don't post. That needs to be fixed. Strong, guys. I don't like the brand. Well, come back. So yeah, guys, you need to buy fidget spinners. Awesome. $5, $3, $2, $1 on Amazon and online. So yeah, guys, this is awesome. Awesome. Look at those, guys. Those are awesome, baby. You know what's cracking, man. We lit. Look at that, how it spins. Look how it looks, man. And now look at this one. I like the yellow one better. Still, the red one, as you can see in my other video, the red one is faster than the yellow one. These are actually awesome. Right off. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to clean them and make them faster in my next video, probably like, cause I gotta get the tools probably like in 3 days or a week, or who knows, 2 days, 1 week, not even a week. I'll say 3 days or 2 days, no promises, cause I have school, so no promises. It's weird if I move it like that. I was just trying to do the thumbnail. So yeah, guys, these fidget spinners are awesome rolled up. I fixed it. These fidget spinners, well, if you guys are gonna comment in the comment section, if you guys are gonna roast me, I cleaned them. I have already cleaned those after putting my mouth in it. Duh. So yeah, guys, I'm not little, I'm tall. Just getting down so you guys can see me better. The fidget spinners, the fidget spinners are awesome, and you can see they are just awesome. They're fun to play with, and the good part of the fidget spinners are that you can do tricks with it. It's going viral on YouTube, so I said I have to buy one, and I said it looks fun, so why not buy it? And spending $5 on one of them is worth it, because you can see these get you can see these games anywhere. You can see them at Walgreens, Walmart, Target, Bargain Hunters, 7-Eleven. Who knows if they're in Toys R Us? Probably, because Toys R Us has all kinds of toys. That's what they call Toys R Us. This is awesome, guys. And if there's noise, it's because I'm still in the hospital like I was in. Because my cousin they gave him surgery. And I'm still here. So yeah, guys, I'm leaving. See you guys. Bye. Subscribe. Hit the like button. Share. Please. Comment in the comment section if you like more videos about fidget spinners.